What Philip Ugili did is to understand as an Igbo man that it is faster to get this thing when arranged in parallel than to arrange it in series. They have been arranging it in series. It is wasting time. Philip Ugili shortened it and arranged it in what? Parallel. But do you know how many he arranged? To give you the supercomputer. Do you know how many? Philip Ugili arranged this alpha into 4,096 DBs. Somebody should press their calculator. The processor speed the whole world used today for the internet is working under 65,536 knowledge of alpha. Quote me, according to Philip Ugili. I repeat, 65,536. Now, for you to know whether it is truly from alpha, divide the 65,536 bits by 16 that is using this. Do you know what you get? 4,096. It means that Philip Ugili, in his sense, was thinking about 4,096 DBs holding their Ugili like this. I don't know if you understand. And Philip Ugili now asked them, will this rain fall today? Yes or no? 4,096 DBs poured the alpha immediately in parallel and gave him a conclusive answer in 1 minute. He said, okay, you people, you are not fast. I need it in 30 seconds. They poured the alpha, pam, gave him the answer in 30 seconds. He said, okay, I don't want it in 30 seconds. Bring it to me in what? In 1 second. They poured the alpha. I can't do. They gave him the answer in what? In 1 second. That is what Philip Ugili did. That made him the god of computer.